Greetings everyone, welcome aboard. Happy Monday to you guys. It's April 25th, 2011. My name is Joseph James. Here's your live trade recap. SchoolOfTrade.com, SidewaysMarkets.com. Boy, we had a great Monday morning. Now, one of those Mondays where I tell you, I wanted to throw that alarm clock out the window, wasn't it? Monday morning after a great holiday weekend. We had Passover holiday last week, Easter Sunday, Good Friday. So today was one of those Monday mornings where we had to expect most traders were going to try at least to sleep in a little bit this morning because nobody wants to come back from such a great long weekend. Lots of great sports on television, lots of great holidays, lots of time with family and friends. So Monday morning, no matter what's going on out there, Monday morning is always going to be a little bit slower than normal. So get that right off the bat. Now this Monday morning, we had three different wrinkles to be concerned about. The first one was it's a Monday after a holiday. So right off the bat, we expect we're going to get half the people sleeping in this morning, right? The other half were celebrating the Orthodox Easter holiday, which actually celebrated in Europe today. In Europe this morning, and I didn't even know about this, but in Europe this morning, there was a bank holiday today, the Eastern Orthodox, right? The Easter Orthodox holiday here in Europe. So we had that going on, and then the big thing on our minds this morning, and I'm going to post this on our blog later on today so you guys can search for it. If you search for the new FOMC format, we did a video on this morning, we did a webinar this afternoon, and we're going to talk more about that later on this week. But we have a brand new FOMC format, very similar to the ECB format. Now they're going to be changing up the ways that they release those Fed statements, right, on FOMC Day or Fed Day. So we'll talk more about that and what's changing. But all you want to know is right now is that we knew there was a change coming on Tuesday and Wednesday for Fed Day this week. And we had some, right, we assumed that would, of course, have people sitting on hands. So three important things this morning, three red flags. And, of course, because of those three red flags, we took our time. Now, just like every Monday morning, we go over the entire morning routine together. Tuesday through Friday, I'll post that morning prep, and then we'll go over it together. This morning, though, every Monday morning, come in at 7:45. We're going to go through that entire morning routine, the entire morning prep, live in real time. Since we have some more time on Monday mornings, I like to get you guys involved early in the morning, right? Get that blood pumping through your veins again and get you back on track for the week. So it was a little bit slow at the open. So what do? Did we force trades? No. Did we make up trades we wanted to be trading? No, right? We don't make up trades. We don't let our emotions trade for us. We had a very slow beginning of the day. So, like I always say, the best time to get ready for your next trade is right now. And so at 8 o'clock this morning, we began putting together our plan of attack. And we noticed that crude oil was at the top of a wedge. And so we said, all right, guys, if we drop off these highs on crude as price falls, I'm buying first. That's exactly what we did. So we came in 8 o'clock Eastern time, a little bit sloppy, right? By 9 o'clock, 9:30, getting better. And after 9:30 Eastern time, after the U.S. market opened up, we saw some pretty darn good movement, didn't we? Auto Trader grabbed it short at 9 o'clock. I then later on ended up buying the bounce. So price ended up dropping. We were already 50, 60 ticks in profit on the Auto Trader today. Auto Trader had a huge day today. Sold the highs, then bought the lows right back up. Two winners in the Auto today. But we began our day, though, at the highs. Auto Trader got short. Now remember, don't let that Auto Trader fool you into ignoring the long side, right? If your Auto Trader gets short, try your best to keep that out of your mind, right? Because, well, I'll tell you, sometimes I catch myself kind of rooting on, right, the sellers, and I'm ignoring the opposite direction. So we don't want to let the Auto Trader fool you into ignoring other directions here. Okay, that's why I always trade my Auto Trader on my other computer. I don't even look at it when I'm day trading. So a good little trick of the trade there. We'll talk more about that with members in trading this week. So we see the price come down off the highs. We planned our attack pretty well. We said, guys, if price drops, I'm going to be a buyer first. If I can't be a buyer first, I'll then wait for new lower lows and keep selling retracements. Now what happened was we actually had a chance here to grab a long trade directly into a short trade, but I was trying to get that trade a little bit longer, right, to maximize the runner. So price drops, I buy support first. That's our first trade of the day. It then curls over and keeps going down. We make new lower lows. Every time we make new lower lows, we're not selling the lows, right? We're selling retracements all the way down. So great day today. In fact, I don't want to say this, but it was almost too easy this morning, right? Do I dare say it was easy? It really wasn't tough, that's for sure, right? If you knew what you were looking for, if you were trading at the right times, and if you didn't let your emotions get you going too fast this morning, right? It really wasn't hard, and it really was easy. After we finally got that heads up from the buyers appearing, buyers appear, right? New lower lows, wave 1, right? That's for 35 ticks. You can easily see, though, there could have been wave 2 and wave 3 there, but again, I'm waiting for momentum to be perfect. I take wave number 2 here at 1017, 23 ticks again. And then finally, we look to avoid the fourth wave, but after the news, it comes tumbling right back down, 37 ticks there as well. Now, here's where we begin. Auto Trader now gets long again after we get new higher highs, right? I'm sorry, new higher lows. Higher lows come in. Those higher lows say buyers are now back in control. The Auto Trader fires off long again, ends up exiting on close here. 47s was going to be my target, but we never got that far. At 3 o'clock, my Auto Trader will close out, so there's no overnight margin.